Okay na sir, live na.
Good morning. To formally proceed to the previous conference, may I request the head of the box secretariat to check the attendance of today's previous conference.
Good morning for the attendance. Engineer Michael Seador, Vice Chairman, President. Ms. Liga Guimbaolibot, Barangay President. Engineer Arturo Siapura, Barangay President. Engineer Remedio, National Focus of President. Ms. Rita Silco, Joseph for President. For Dr. Secretary, Engineer President. Immediate Superintendent President, Arteche President, for DPWH, Engineer Constantino Martinez President, Engineer President, Brgy Amuyo President. Julian Eastern President. For our programmers, we have Jason A. Pedrero, Julian Angkong, Lester J. Guiuan, Jipapad and Ron Caglao-an, all from Planning and Design section. Members, 5 members are present.
The Department of Public Works and Highways, Eastern Samar District Engineering Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Poblacion City, Eastern Samar, is now holding private conference of the following projects at the office at the office conference hall. This private conference, which is open to all interested bidders, is conducted in order to discuss and clarify matters pertaining to the procurement of this project. For infra, 26 IB 0009, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Access Road, and or bridges from national roads leading to major strategic public building facilities. Construction approved, Guimbaolibot Avenue, to Cotins Drive, Guiuan, Eastern Samar. We have all the program of this project.
The project to be discussed is 26 IB 009 with the project name of Convergence and Speaker Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, access roads and or bridges from national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road, Guimbaolibot Avenue, Cotins Drive, Guiuan, Eastern Samar. With a contract duration of 147 calendar days and appropriation of 30 million. For itemized breakdown, for part B, we have D.5 project billboard or signboard for DPWH. Next is item D.5 project billboard or signboard for COA, 1 each. Item D.7 occupation safety and health. Item D.9, item D.8, traffic management, 1 lump sum. Item D.8, mobility, 1 lump sum. For part C, earthworks, item 1001, clearing and grubbing, 0.53 hectares. Item 1003E1, individual removal of trees, 150 to 300 mm diameter, 60 each. Item 1003E2, individual removal of trees from 301 to 500 mm diameter, 20 each. Item 1021, unsuitable excavation with 132.40 cubic meter. Item 1042E, embankment from Baro, common soil, 3,704.96 cubic meter. Item 105, 1A, sub-bridge preparation, common material, 3,192 square meter. For part D, sub-base at this course, we have item 2001, aggregate sub-base course, 744.8 cubic meter. For part A, surface courses, we have item 311, 1C1, Portland cement concrete pigment, unreinforced, 0.23 meter thick, 2,660 square meter. For part G, drainage and slope protection structures, we have item 5001B, 5 culvert, class 2 RCPC, 27 linear meter. Item 5102, concrete slope protection, 128.85 cubic meter. For part H, miscellaneous structures, we have item 603, 3D1, metal guardrail or metal beam, including post, single W beam, 150 linear meter. For the minimum equipment requirement, we have low bed trailer, we have one turbo service truck, one power broom, one pneumatic tire roller, one tandem steel roller, one water truck or pump, one applicator machine, one AD machine. That's all.
Any questions? Clarifications for the project discussed? One. Let's proceed to the next project. 56 IP 0010. Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Blocks, CPAP, Access Road, and bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of Circumferential Road, Poblacion, Sulat, Barangay San Francisco, Barangay del Remedio, Sulat, Eastern Samar.
Good morning. The next project to be discussed is with the contract rating of 26 IB 0010 with the project title of Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps or CPAP. Access roads and all bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public building facilities. Construction of Circumferential Road, Poblacion, Sulat, to Barangay San Francisco, to Barangay del Remedio, Sulat, Eastern Samar, with a contract duration of 129 calendar days, and appropriation of the project is 40 million. For itemized breakdown, for Part B are your general requirements. Item B.5, project billboard or signboard, DPWH, 2 inch. Item B.5, project billboard or signboard, CUA, 1 inch. Item B.CB2, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Item B.82, traffic management, 1 lump sum. Item B.9, mobilization or demobilization, 1 lump sum. For Part C or works, we have item 1001, clearing and grabbing, 1.25 hectares. Item 1003E1, individual or removal of trees, 150 to 300 40 each. Item 1013B2, removal of actual structures or obstruction, PCCP under enforced, 92 square meter. Item 1014E1, removal of structures or obstruction, RCPC, 30 linear meter. Item 102, surplus home is 6,248.67 cubic meter. Item 1036A, 5 full birds and drain excavation, common soil, 398 cubic meter. Item 1041A, impoundment from roadway or structure excavation, common soil, 956.36 cubic meter. Item 1051A, subgrade preparation, common material, 11,358.5 square meter. For part D, subdivision discourse, we have item 2001, applicant sub-discourse, 3,212.9 cubic meter. For part E, service courses, we have item 311, 1C1, Portland cement concrete pavement under enforced, 0.23 meters deep, 60,594.5. For part G, drainage and seal protection structures, we have item 5001D, 5 full work plus 2 RCPC, 50 linear meter. Item 5003A, line canal, rectangular, reinforced concrete, 326 linear meter. And last is item 5061, stone masonry, 36.08 cubic meter. For the itemized, for the minimum equipment requirement, we have one loading trailer, one cargo or service truck, one buckwheat breaker, two payloader, two dump truck, one bulldozer, one motorized road grader, one vibrator roller, one water tower pump, four transit mixer, one concrete spreader, two concrete vibrator, one concrete slew, one bar cutter, one mechanized joint sealer or equipment machine. That's all.
The next project, 26 IP 0011. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP. Multi-purpose building, facilities to support social services, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Hall, Barangay Polangi, Taft Borongan, Samar.
Good morning for the project ID number of 2611 26130011. Project name basic base coverage and special support program, basically infrastructure program or BIP. Multi-purpose building facilities to support social services construction of multi-purpose building Barangay Hall, Barangay Polangi, Taft Eastern Samar. Location, Taft Eastern Samar. Duration of 126 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWH, General Appropriation Act of 2026. Infrastructure type is multi-purpose building. Allocated amount of 5 million cases. Under general requirements, I think building type of 1 permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. Building type of 1 project billboard, signboard, DPWH, 1 each. B.5 of 1 project billboard, signboard, COA, 1 each. 5.7 of 1 Oppositional Safety and Health Program, 1 lump sum. 3.9 of 1 Mobilization or Demobilization, 1 lump sum. Earthworks, item number 0801 of 1 Removal Structures and Extraction, 1 lump sum. 803 of 1A Structure Excavation from Soil, 51.32 cubic meter. 804 of 1A Embankment from Roadway Structure Excavation from Soil, 44.52 cubic meter. 804 of 2A Embankment of Barangay from Soil, 40.84 cubic meter. 804 of 7 grade feet, 5.99 cubic meter. For reinforcement complete work, item number 9001I, the structural concrete class A cubic meters, 77.40 cubic meter. 902 of 1A1 reinforcing steel beyond grade 40, 5,456.54 kilogram. 902 of 182 reinforcing steel beyond grade 60, 7,795.72 kilogram. 903 of two formworks and false works, 329.95 square meter. Under finishing and concrete civil works, so we have item number 1046 of 2A1, CHP clearing, including reinforcing steel, 150.98 square meter. 1046 of 2A4, CHP including reinforcing steel, 150 in 100 square meter. 1027 of 1 semi-plaster finished, 454.33 square meter. 1003 of 1 before saving 16 and multiplied wood frame, 112 square meter. 1004 2 finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. 1007 of 1A aluminum frame glass door sliding pipe, 7 square meter. 1008 of 1A aluminum glass windows sliding pipe, 10 square meter. 1008 of 1C aluminum glass window awning pipe, 0.96 square meter. 1008 of 1B aluminum glass window switch style, 2.60 square meter. 1010 of 1 Prince Gun Series front modules, 1010 of 2 with doors flash door, 1.9 square meter. 10102B with panel door, 6.93 square meter. 103 of 1 with installation of 60.8 square meter. And for the ribbon of 1051 of ribbon 1 lump sum. And 1018 of 2 and good efforts with this perimeter, 1018.5 base status and the water cost. Waterproofing, we have item number 1016 and 18. Waterproofing units 21.6 square meter. And 1034 of 18 for 1034 of 1A something was mathematical or mathematical type. 471.70 square meter. 1032 of 1B 15 words to wood, 112 square meter. 1032 of 1C 15 words for steel, 2.65 square meter. For open works, we have item number 1013 of 2B, complicated broken accessories, reach of 26, thickness of 0.551 millimeter flashing, 2.4 meter width. 1014 of 18 of preventive metal chip long span corrugated type about 0.427 in millimeter. 61.6 square meter for still works with item number 1047 of 4A metal structures accessories golden rods 36 feet 1047 of 5B metal structures accessories steel plates 135.17 kilogram 1047 of 8A structural steel trusses we had 1,299.32 kilogram. 1047 structural steel girders, 502.72 kilogram. For plumbing and water supply, item number 1001 of the such basin, safety, we have 3 each. 10018 Solar line works 10019 storm image and one spot 1001 available circuit plant bolt concrete CHP 1002 of 4 plumbing fixtures 1002 of 24 cold water lines 1 for electrical works, we have item number 110 of 9 fittings and accessories 1101 of 33 wires and wiring device 1102 of 1 panel board lightning and clutch breakers 1103 of 1 lighting fixtures 1 and for the mechanical works we have item number 1200 of 13A air conditioning system package split type protection. And for the equipment to be used, we have the plate compactor, 400 to 800 gasoline engine, 5 horsepower capacity, 1 buffer mixer, 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute. But in there, 25 mm maximum rebar diameter, 3 days. By cutter, 25 mm maximum rebar diameter, with 40 single phase. Swimming machine, electric driven diesel output 500 amps, backhoe, 20 cubic meter and dump truck, 12 cubic meter.
Next project, 26 IB 0012. Construction of multi-purpose building, Liga ng mga Barangay, Jipapad, Eastern Samar. Contract duration 126 calendar days. Source of fund GAA 2026. Appropriation is 5 million. Description, construction of Barangay Hall, refunded works, reinforcing, masonry, electrical, painting, doors and windows, ceiling, tile works, plumbing, truss and roofing, concrete gutter and other scope works indicated therein. Note and completion on the report of installation and concluded. The following are the scope of work of the project. D.3 of 1 for fixed and fluoride source 1 lump sum. D.5 of 1 public billboard signboard for DPWH 1 feet. D.5 of 1 public billboard signboard for COA 1 week. D.7 of 1 occupational safety and health program 1 lump sum. D.9 of 1 mobilization demobilization 1 lump sum. 803 of 1 name structural installation for common soil 51.32 cubic meter. 804 of 1 name embankment from roadway structural installation common soil 44.52 cubic meter. 804 of 2A embankment from borrow 76.69 cubic meter. 804 of 7 gravel field 5.49 cubic meter. Item 900 of 1 out, Class 8 grades 77.4 millimeters. Item number of 181. Grade 43 from grade 40, 5,456.50 kilograms. Item number of 180. Grade 450, grade 60, 7,795.72 kilograms. Item 903 and 2. Homework and coursework 329.72 square meters. 10.6 to A1, 6 Guimbaolibot Doris, 150, 52.48 square meters. 10.6 of A2, 6 Guimbaolibot Doris for 150 168.8 square meters. 10.7 of 1, 7 plus of finish for 152.89 square meters. 1.03 of 1 before, ceiling 112 square meters. 1,004 of 2, finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. 1,007 of 1A, aluminum frame glass door, sliding tile, 3.78 square meters. 1,008 of 1A, aluminum glass windows, sliding tile, 15.84 square meters. 1,008 of 1C, aluminum glass windows, only type, 0.96 square meters. 1,008 of 1B, aluminum glass windows, fixed type, 2.16 square meters. 1,012 of 1 frames, 1 set. 1,010 of 2A, flush doors, 1.89 square meters. 1,012 of 2B, wood panel doors, 6.23 square meters. 10.21 of 8, railing, 1 lump sum. 1,018 of 3, and blade tiles, 55.72 meters. 1,018 of 5, blade tiles, 109.40 square meters. 1,016 of 1A, 1,036, 7 blades, 51.6 square meters. 10.22 of 1A, machinery, 151.7 square meters. 10.22 of 1B, wood printing, 112 square meters. 1,042 of 1C, painting work for steel, 12.64 square meters. 1,013 of 3B, fabrication metal rigging and rotary, for plastic, 24 millimeters. 1,014 of 118, pre-printing metal sheets lock span, for making type, 61.6 square meters. 10.47 of 4A, bolts and rods, 26 feet. 10.7 of 5B, steel plates, 125.17 kilograms. 10.47 of 8A, trusses, 1,299.22 kilograms. 10.47 of 8B, purlins, 102.73 kilograms. 1,001 of 5B, catch basin, 3 each. 1,001 of 8, sewer line works, 1 lump sum. 1,001 of 9, storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. 1,001 of 11, septic vault, 1 lump sum. 1,002 of 4, plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. 1,002 of 24, cold water lines, 1 lump sum. 1,100 of 9, fittings and advisories, 1 lump sum. 1,101 of 23, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. 1,102 of 1, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. And last, 1,103 of 1, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. The following are the minimum equipment requirement. 1 plate compactor, 1 bagger mixer, 1 bar binder with 25 mm maximum rebar, 1 bar cutter with 25 mm maximum rebar with 40, 1 welding machine, 1 backhoe, and 1 dump truck. That's all, sir.
Say to the next.
Contract ID 26IB0014.
Proceed.
Project name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program VIP, Multi-Purpose Building, Facilities to Support Services, Construction,
completion of multi-purpose building Eastern Samar State University, Arteche, Eastern Samar. Project location Eastern Samar State University, Arteche, Eastern Samar. Contract duration is 93 calendar days. Fund source, DPWH General Appropriation Act 2026. Allotted amount, 2 million. So we move to itemized breakdown. Item number Part A, description of facilities for the engineer. So next, Part B, other general requirements. And there is item number B, B51, project billboard signboard DPWH. B51, project billboard signboard Procurement. B71, occupational safety and health program. One lump sum. B91, mobilization immobilization, one lump sum. Right, we have item number 8002, clearing grabbing, one lump sum. And the reinforced concrete work, part D, we have 9032, works 81 square meter. We have finishing and other works, part A. Under it is item number 1003, 1A1, saving 4.5 mm fiber cement board, metal frame, 114.20 square meter. 10071B, aluminum frame glass door, screen type, 11.75 square meter. 1018-2 unglazed tiles, 152.10 square meters. 1018-5 glazed tiles, 20.25 square meters. 1032-1A, painting works, masonry concrete, 438.15 square meters. 1001-5B, catch basin CHB, 8 each. 1001-9, Stonebridge downspout, 9-1 lump sum. Electrical, part F, we have item number 1106, 1 CCTV system, 1 lump sum. We have mechanical, part J, item number 120038, air conditioning system package, split type, 1 lump sum. 12026A1, fire extinguisher, 4.54 kilogram ABC with brackets, 1 set. 12084, fire alarm bell, 1 lump sum. Miscellaneous structures, part H. We have items number 105, 1A, subway preparation common materials, 214.38 square meter. 201, aggregate subway sports, 42.82 cubic meter. 311, 1A, Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced 0.15 thick, 14 days, 214.38 square meters. Under the minimum equipment requirements, we have welding machine, electric driven or DC output, one dump truck, 1 water truck pump, 16 liters, 1 vibratory roller, SD 100 DC 10 MT, 1 motorized road grader, G7 10A, 140 HP, 4 transit mixer, 5 to 6 cubic meter, 1 preloader LXAP-2C, 1.50 cubic meter, 1 concrete trigger, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete stove, 14-inch blade diameter, 1 water truck pump, 16,000 liter, 1 mechanized joint sealer equipment machine. That's all. Next, we have project ID number 26IB0017. Project name, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program.
multi-purpose building facilities to support services for the completion of multi-purpose building, Eastern Samar, State University, Barangay, May Pangdan, City of Borongan, Eastern Samar. Project location, Eastern Samar State University, Barangay May Pangdan, City of Borongan, Eastern Samar. Allotted amount, 2 million. Contract duration is 23 calendar days. Fund source, DPWH General Operation Act 2026. Description, construction, completion of multi-purpose building, Quezon Sama State University, Barangay May Pangdan, City of Borongan, Quezon Sama, including 0.50 million equipment and other scope of work indicated here. Let's move to the itemized breakdown. We have part A, facilities for the engineers. Part B, other general requirements. Item number B51, project billboard signboard DPWH 1H. B5.1, project billboard signboard COA 1H. B71, Occupational Safety and Health Program 1 lump sum. B91, mobilization 1 lump sum. We have earthworks part C. Item number is 801, clearing grabbing 1 lump sum. Reinforced concrete work part D. We have item number 903, 2, formworks and post works 81 square meter. We are finishing and other civil works part A. Other is the item number 10031A1 ceiling 4.5 mm fiber cement board metal frame 43.90 square meter. 10071B aluminum frame glass door swing type 4.7 square meter. 1018 unglazed tiles 108.22 square meters. We have 103218 meeting works masonry concrete 438.15 square meters. And we have CHB 8H 10019 storm drainage and downspout 1 lump sum. Electrical part F, we have the item number 11061 CCTV system 1 lump sum. We have mechanical part G, item number 1200, taking 8 air conditioning system package quick type 1 lump sum. But item number 12026A1 fire extinguisher 4.54 PG ABC with bracket 1 set. Item number 1208 for fire alarm bell 1 lump sum. Miscellaneous structure part H under is item number 10518 sub-grade operation common material 427.54 square meter. 201 aggregate sub-base force 85.51 cubic meters. 311 Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced 0.15 thick 0.0 meter thick 14 days. 427.54 square meters. Let's move to the minimum equipment requirements. We have 1 welding machine, electric DC output, 1 dump truck, 1 water truck pump, 16,000 liters, 1 vibratory roller, SD 100 DC 10 MT, 1 motorized road grader, GZ 10A 4 HP, 4 grader.
Good morning. For the next project, we have ID number 56 ID 0013, construction of road Barangay Bonghon to Caglao-an, Dolores, Eastern Samar. The contract duration is approximately 212 calendar days, and the population is 50 million, with approved budget cost of 49 million. For item number description and quantity, for part B, item number B.5 project board signboard DPWH, we have 2 each. For item number B.5 project board signboard COA, we have 1 each. For item number B.72, operational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. For item number B.82, traffic management,
we have one lump sum. For item number B.9, mobilization, demobilization, we have one lump sum. For part C, earthworks, item number 101, clearing and grabbing, quantity is 0.98 hectare. For item number 1003A1, individual removal of trees, 150 and to 300 mm diameter, small, we have 100 each. For item number 103A2, individual removal of trees, 301 to 100 mm diameter, small, we have 48 each. For item number 103-6A, 5 culverts and 3 excavation common soil, we have quantity of 1,049.6 cubic meters. For item number 10418, embankment from roadway excavation, common soil, quantity is 4,092.23 cubic meters. For item number 102, surplus common excavation, quantity is 13,383.53 cubic meters. For item number 105-1A, subway preparation common material, quantity is 8,954.4 square meters. For item number 1021, unsuitable excavation, quantity is 4,219.51 cubic meters. For part D, subbase and base course, item number 201, aggregate subbase course, quantity is 2,381.83 cubic meters. For part E, surface courses, we have item number 3111C1, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.23 thick, 14 days curing, we have quantity of 6,002.4 square meters. For part G, drainage and slope protection works, item number 501B, 5 culvert class 2 RCPC, quantity is 90 linear meters. For item number 503A, line canal rectangular reinforced concrete, the quantity is 920 linear meters. For item number 5052A, grounded reef rock class A, quantity is 470.94 cubic meters. For item number 5102, for complete slope protection, quantity is 171.97 cubic meters. For minimum equipment requirements, we have lobby trailer, capacity is 2:1. Cargo service truck, 2 to 5 liter times 1. Backhoe with breaker, 20 cubic meter, 1. We have payloader, 1.5 cubic meter, 2. We have bulldozer 1, motorized loader 1, preparatory roller 1, water truck pump 16,000 liters 1, transit mixer 5 cubic feet per minute. We have 4. For concrete spreader 1, concrete vibrator 2, for concrete saw 1, bar cutter 1, and mechanized Johnson equipment machine 1. That's all contract ID 26IB 0013.
The next project, contract ID number of 261B0015. Project name, Coverage and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program of BIP, Multipurpose Building Facilities to Support Services Construction. Completion of multipurpose building Eastern Samar State University, Barangay 2, Can-Avid Eastern Samar, location is Eastern Samar State University, Barangay 2, Can-Avid Eastern Samar. Duration of 93 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWH, General Appropriation Act of 2026. Allocated amount of 2 million pesos. General requirements, item number B.5 of 1, project billboard, signboard, or DPWH, 1 each. B.5 of 1, project billboard, signboard for POA, 1 each. 5.7 of 1, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. 5.1 of 1, mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. For 8 earthworks, item number 8002, swimming and grabbing, 1 lansa. Tuloy and grabbing, 1 lansa. Reinforced concrete work, we have item number 903 of 2, formworks and postworks, 81 square meters. For finishing and other civil works, we have item number 1003 of 1 A1 saving 4.55 cement board meter frame, 43.93 square meter. Third flooring works, we have item number 1018 of 2 anodized tiles, 118.22 square meter. Fitting works, masonry concrete, item number 1032 of 1A, fitting works, masonry concrete, 438.15 square meter. 1001 of 5B, catch basin, HB, 8 each. 1001 of 9 storm drainage ducts for 1 lansan. For electrical, we have item number 1106 of 1 CCTV system, 1 lansan. For mechanical works, we have item number 1200 of 1 of 13A, air conditioning system package of split type, 1 lansan. 1202 of 6A1, fire extinguisher, 4.55 kilogram PVC. EBC that with bracket, 1 seat. 1208 of 4 fire alarm pin, 1 lansa. And miscellaneous structures, we have 105 of 1A, subsidy preparation common material, 177.54 square meter. 200 of 1 aggregates, sub-base force, 95.51 cubic meter. 311 of 1A, for cement concrete equipment and reinforced for the thickness of 0.15 millimeter. For this 477.50 square meter. Equipment requirements, drilling machine, electric drilling, DC output 5 horsepower, dump truck 4.6 cubic feet per minute, water truck pump 16,000 liters, 3 phase, by 3 roller is the 100 DC kilometric ton. Single phase motorized road grader receiving 110 amperes, 140 HP, 500 amps. Transit mixer 5 to 6 cubic meter kilo versus LX 0 to 1.50 cubic meter. Concrete cylinder, concrete vibrator, concrete saw 14 inch diameter. Water truck pump 16,000 liters. Mechanized joints, single equipment of machine. That's all. Thank you. For the contract, for the contract ID 26 ID 0016, in the project name, preventive maintenance secondary roads, Wright, Taft Borongan Road, station at kilometer 914 plus 680 to kilometer 915 plus 000, construction of retaining wall and rehabilitation of road along National Highway, Barangay Libas, Julian Eastern Samar. Specific location is Barangay Libas, Julian Eastern Samar. Contract duration is 270 calendar days with appropriation of 15 million pesos. We have scope works, civil work number 1, retaining wall and drainage, 4,466 square meters, and road rehabilitation of damaged paved roads, CW2, 0.5168 kilometers.
For the itemized breakdown of the items of works, we have under other general requirements, B at 5 project billboard or signboard for DPWH, 2 each. B at 5 project billboard or signboard for COA, 1 each. B at 7 2 for occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. B at 8 2 traffic management, 1 lump sum. And B at 9 mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. For earthworks, I think 100, 1 clearing and grading, 0.18 hectares, 1013 B2 removal of actual structures or structure 0.20 state PCP and enforced 47.81 square meters. I think 101 1 removal of actual structures construction 0.05 feet ACP 2,152.38 square meters. I think 103.18 structure excavation common soil 5,209.47 cubic meters. Heading 105, 1A, subgrade preparation common material 2,200.28 square meters. Heading 103, 6A, pipe culverts and drain excavation, common soil 57.6 cubic meters. For sub-base and base course, we have item 200, 1 aggregate sub-base course 468.11 cubic meters. For surface courses, item 311, 1 Guiuan, Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced 0.28 meter thick, 40 days, 2,228 square meters. For retaining wall construction, we have item 4041B, reinforcing steel grade 60, 163,480 kilograms. 405188, structural concrete 20.68 megapascal plus 8 in 8 days, 1,615.28 cubic meters. Under drainage and slope protection structures, we have item 503A, line canal rectangular reinforced concrete 488 linear meters, and item 501B, pipe culvert plus 2 RCPC 24 linear meters. For minimum equipment requirement, we have 1 unit low bed trailer, 1 unit cargo or service truck, 1 unit project mixer, 1 unit payloader, 1 unit dump truck, 1 unit water truck or pump, 1 unit backhoe, 1 unit motorized road grader, 1 unit concrete spreader, 1 unit concrete pipe breaker, 1 unit concrete saw, 1 unit bar cutter, 1 unit bar bender, and 1 unit vibratory roller. That is all for 26 ID 006.
Simply 26 ID 0017. Next. Ah, 17. Ito, 17. May panggan? Wala. For the goods and services, we have 25 GIB0030. Purchase of diesel for various DPWH service vehicles used in the supervision of various projects.
For contract ID number 25 GIB 0030, purchase of diesel for various DPWH service vehicles used in the supervision of various projects with an MPC of 2,990,000. Submission of bids is
December 17, and the due date is opening. That's all.
Thank you. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board. B. Completion of a single largest completed contract is LCC, similar to the contract to be bid, costing at least 50% of the ABC and net financial contracting capacity at least equal to the ABC. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Fort Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor's profile eligibility processing and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during work weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or on the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as specified in the IRR of NGP 12009. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder, who shall determine as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the DPWH, the Eastern Samar District Engineering Office from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and inspect the bidding documents. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by interested bidders from DPWH DEO. And upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents, bidders can make payments for the purchase of the bidding documents at any DPWH offices. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, PhilGEPS, and the website of the procuring entity, provided the bidder shall pay the applicable fees for the bidding documents, not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation of submission of an electronic bid are contained in the bid data sheet. Bid must be received by the Box Secretariat at DPWH, the ESDEO. Deadline for manual submission or electronic submission at electronic bids _Eastern Samar at dpwh.gov.ph for goods and services is on December 17, 2025 at 8:59 a.m. Goods and services ID number 25 GIB 0030 and for infrastructure is on December 17, 2025 at 1:59 p.m. Infra ID number 25 IB 009, 25 IB 0010, 25 IB 0011, 25 IB 0012, 25 IB 0013, 25 IB 0014, 25 IB 0015, 25 IB 0016, and 25 IB 0017. All bids must be accompanied by bid security in any of the acceptable forms, and the amount is stated in ITB Clause A2. Bid opening for goods and services shall be on December 17, 2025. For goods and services, ID number 25 GIB 0030 and infrastructure shall be on December 17, 2025 for infra ID number 26 IB 00 to 25 IB 0017. Section 55.1 of NGPA 12009 states that all bids shall be accompanied by bid security, which shall serve as guarantee that after receipt of notice of award, the winning bidder shall enter into contract with the procuring entity within the stipulated time and furnish the required performance security. The specific amount and allowable form of bid security is prescribed in the IRR. That the validity period of bid security is 120 calendar days from the opening of bid. That the contractor must submit a net financial contracting capacity at least equal to the ABC prior to submission of bids. The eligibility requirement is stated under Section 23.1 of the IRR. That the bidding shall be conducted through open competitive bidding procedure using the non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as specified in the implementing rules and regulations of the IRR in GPA 1200. That the bidder shall submit their bids through their duly authorized liaison officers who are specified in the contractor's information. And purchasing bidding documents and submission drafting of bids. Contractors representative not registered in the contractor's CRC shall submit a duly notarized special power of attorney stating therein the specific project to be bid and a valid ID, a memorandum of usage Ardalisa Armin Dinilia for support and services dated December 27, 2021. The bidder shall submit one with original and one copy, the first, the technical, and second, the financial components of its bid. That unsent or unmarked bid envelopes will be rejected. And properly sealed and marked envelopes will be accepted, provided that the bidder or his duly authorized representative shall acknowledge such condition of the bid as submitted. The three-strike policy will also be implemented. Project engineer should be accredited by DPWH based on DO number 148 series of 2024. We encourage also our prospective bidders to conduct their site inspection in or that whatever problems encountered thereto will be resolved prior to the bidding. Prospective bidders are encouraged to read and refer to the bid data sheet while preparing their bidding documents because this contain important information and requirements of the bidding documents. Prospective bidders are encouraged to follow the guidelines in the preparation of bidding documents for goods and infrastructure projects and the submission of the required forms to be included in the procurement of goods, infrastructure projects, and consulting services as per GPPB Resolution 16-2050. Please be reminded that late bids will not be accepted. The DPWH Eastern Samar District Engineering Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan City, Eastern Samar, reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award a contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 41 of RA 9184 and its IRR, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. Any issues and concern? Since there is no issues and concern, this private meeting is adjourned.